Previously on harVentures.
What do you guys think about the view? That's Port Tocino.
Josh got pooped on.
Get out of the way, you're about to get hit. Whistles mean you need to look. Got myself on coral and I got stung by jellyfish. And this little 360 Speevo stick doesn't work. I'm not happy. Yeah, we got some pork and chicken and fish, banana, rice, and a mussel.
There's a rock right here.
Are you recording?
Yeah. There's a lot of rocks. I keep hitting them.
It's really rocky and I don't have shoes, so I gotta float and just kind of push off the rocks. Oh, we gotta go under.
No, we don't. We're only off step 5.
Okay.
Wrong.
He said we had 5 stops today. We did our 3rd stop for snorkeling and we had lunch on the beach. Kayan didn't go snorkeling. Yeah, I brought snorkel gear and I realized that the fin was broken. But I got the Speevo 360 stick and it did not work at all, so.
For snorkeling, lots of fish like that.
Yeah, Tom fell when he got back on the boat.
Yeah.
If you're bruised, we gotta show it later.
Alright.
There's our lunch table, floating in the water. And they close. He didn't make it. He was trying. I thought he was gonna make it. He got real tired.
Yeah.
Ay, balik ka na lang, Jay. Halika dito. Kaya ngayon.
So we're at the secret lagoon to where we had to boat where I'm sitting now and actually swim to the beach over there. And behind some of the rocks is a secret lagoon. So Josh went over there, he swam because I don't like swimming, or I'm afraid to swim. And he'll be right back to let us know.
We're going into the secret lagoon. I really wish I had water shoes. This is very difficult.
Huwag mo na lang papawala. Tignan mo sa isa-isa din naman.
This is crazy.
Yeah, it's deep here.
Is it?
Yeah,
Like how deep?
I can touch it.
The water's not the clearest water, but I guess it doesn't really get any motion or anything. You gonna jump off? Yeah, that seems sketchy. Hey, he got up there, no problem. I cut my foot. I forgot what I was gonna say. All right, we're at the final stop. I don't know the name of this one, but the stop before this one was Secret Lagoon. It was horrible, mainly because we don't have water shoes. We tried to order some, but they didn't come in. We should have went and got some when we were at the mall in Pampanga or Clark. We did not, so I cut my foot again. I'm done with all that. Luckily, we're at this spot now and it's just sand, so we don't need our flip-flops or anything, but
Get a nice pedicure.
I guess we're just kind of hanging out. This is the last stop of the day, but honestly, I'm kind of over it. Doing this tour, I mean, it's just, there's so many people doing the exact same thing. I don't know. If we ever came back to El Nido, I think I would say that I would skip all this. Probably find like a private boat or something like that to take us around to where we wanted to go.
Agreed. Because we did the same thing when we went to 1,000 Islands last time I came here to the Philippines 4 years ago. But it was like one big beach, so it was a little bit different, but the fact that I was like trying to get everyone on there and trying to find space and everyone to dock and all that stuff was a little difficult.
We'll see what happens. Let's go explore this area. You're a pro. You got it.
I can't.
Just do it.
Scared. I'm so scared. Milo ko. Milo. Wait. Milo ko.
See, that's no fun. All right, trying Red Horse with Jason. Extra strong.
Yeah, it's extra strong beer.
It's pretty good though. It's definitely stronger than the, what do we have, San Miguel before?
Yeah.
It's definitely stronger than San Miguel. Ready to go explore the cave? This boat's name is Josh. Hey. There was no cave. Can lied.
I didn't lie. I was
You lied. Okay, so this is coconut wine. So do you know about coconut wine? Have you had coconut wine?
No.
You haven't?
No.
You should try some.
Just take a sip.
I'll take a sip this one. Huh?
Yeah, that'll be canned.
Tastes weird.
Tastes weird? Fermented coconut.
Yeah.
Take it like a shot, right?
Like tequila. One shot. I hate tequila.
It's actually tequila.
I think it tastes pretty good. All right. So you're half a shot and a beer down. Still gotta get another one. That's number 2.
Oh, he's chugging.
There you go.
Yeah,
All right.
number 2.
One more. Then we'll be even. I'll call it even. How old do you have to be to drink this? What?
No, 8. You have to be 21 to drink. Legally.
I had 4 beers here and a shot of coconut rice. That's a thing. Supposed to be drinking with Jason back there. He's let me down. He didn't drink all of his beers. Watch these cords. So yeah, we're headed back to the boat now. It's time to go. And we're headed back to the resort with this guy.
Hello. Hi, video.
Maybe on YouTube.
Okay, first off, Tan, what happened?
I can't have my shells.
All right, tell them why
No,
they can't tell.
not allowed to bring the shells because if all the guests bring the shells, if all the guests take the shells, maybe after 20 minutes, no beach in the El Nido, then no guests coming here for vacation or staying on the beach. That's why not allowed to bring the shells.
He also said if you get caught taking shells, then it would be 10,000 fine per shell.
Yeah, thank you guys.
It is perfect, but you can't have it.
And it's still there.
I just stepped on it. Now it's part of the beach. All right, there you go.
He put on a smaller jacket than he should have.
Shut up. He had the worst possible time to come back. I'm really hoping the camera's okay. He's got the main one in the dry bag, but I have the drone in my backpack. Supposed to be weather resistant. We'll see, because I think it got dunked in water a little bit. KM was worried about his phone. I'm like, it's waterproof. What are you worried about? You can dunk yours in a pool.
Having fun in the rain.
Oh, dang, I see what they mean about low tide. KM, look. Wow. That's low tide. So we're trying to figure out a restaurant for dinner tonight for everybody. We've been walking around. That's what it looks like right now. Welcome to the video.
Hello.
How are you tonight?
I'm tired, very tired.
Tired?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, are you gonna post that on your YouTube?
Yep. Yep. This is going in. All of this.
Did you see it?
Whoa! It just fell.
Yeah. Good thing you didn't eat.
Dang! That could have killed somebody.
Yeah, is it heavy?
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Oh, is it leaking?
Yeah.
yes.
Dude.
Oh, ooh, it's leaking.
What did it hit? Did it hit that?
Don't walk by the coconut.
Yeah, that'll kill somebody. I'm watching you guys. Hey, doggy. So if you haven't noticed, there's a lot of stray dogs here, and yeah, that's it. Well, goodbye. So we got this restaurant to set up a long table out here for everybody because we got like 25 people.
Hi.
Hello. Basically, this spot right here. Torchlight. Yeah, that's gonna be our private beach for the night. And that view, though, look at that. I know it's gonna be super grainy, but that's gonna be our view. A lot better in person. Yoga class tonight.
We're over there on the sand beach. Are you okay?
I will be.
Did you hit your toe on something?
No, he stepped on it.
Yeah, my foot.
How dare you?
I know.
It looks like some sort of ritual is going on out there.
Right? Yeah. Well, that was weird. What do you think?
Sila Tita Shine pa.
Dito kayo para...
just be, hey, look at this mountain behind us that's dark.
He's gonna propose.
This is where I'm doing it. See, they should be lit up, and I told them to go that way. And I told them to go that way.
Uy, dapat dito ka.
Sige, di ako magtulog sa inyo.
You guys made her cry. She'll cry all day, night. Hi.
I'm assuming
My
you said yes.
fiancé. She's now officially my fiancé. show the ring.
That's pretty good.
Thank you guys, thank you. Thank you to my family. Yeah, thank you. So, I know we're all hungry, so let's eat. Let's eat with love. That's all. Thank you guys. Appreciate everything.
That was adorable. That's funny too because everyone's like, I got it. No, let's switch around.
He's fighting me.
I knew about the proposal thing. I knew it was going to happen on this trip. He said that he was going to do it the last day, which would be tomorrow, or the next day. But torchlit dinner and everything on the beach, and everybody said it was going to be perfect, so he went ahead and did it. So I scrambled to get low light settings set up on the camera and all that stuff. I think it worked out okay for what it is. Haven't really had a chance to talk about that part. Like I said, it's been a very unique kind of trip so far. It's been an unforgettable experience.
Congratulations, Adrian and Zyra, on your happy engagement.
Yep. I forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah, it was really cool being a part of all that. Adrian, good talking to you about everything. But anyway, that is the end of this video. And this was mainly covering Tour A in El Nido, which is really touristy. There's no way around it. It is what it is. It was still fun. It was a great day. Tomorrow we are doing Tour B, I guess. Right? Tour A and Tour B? Yeah, I think it's Tour B. So yeah, and that's actually our last day. And after Tour B, I believe we're going to do some zip lining. But before that, we're actually going to the market. And we're going to go shop for our dinner. And they're actually going to cook it for us at the restaurant. But that's it for us. Kayan?
Bye.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye.